All right. Well, Friday. Today was day 5 of testing US session levels. This is what I plan to teach traders, meaning they'll be able to on their own to arrive at these levels. Today was absolutely amazing. Because of the big move up, I had to send adjusted levels. So with this approach, you can adjust the buy, sell, and midpoint levels as long as it's before 9:30. So 9 o'clock is the last time you can adjust these levels. And today I had to do it because of the huge move up. But about half an hour after I sent them, look at the perfect test of the 680. The high was 682. Perfect target hit and then down all the way to the midpoint. So if you want to follow the progression of this beta testing that I have for this new approach, we ran it all week. You can take a look at Trade Journal channel, which is available to the public. A number of traders are helping me with the testing, so lots of screenshots you can follow up. I had my huge trade from 680. Where was that one? See if I can see this one. Yep, this was the huge trade from this 680 test. Then a bar closes below the level, and there we go. An amazing 100-point move. I got out, I think, at like plus 92 points. I wanted to fade the midpoint because, of course, at the midpoint we expect some kind of reaction. So yeah, you can definitely look at Trade Journal channel. For me, I pretty much have everything I need. I needed to prove to myself, which is why I ran this test, that removing some key elements from the daily levels approach. Now, the daily levels approach is far more complicated, and there is no way I can teach it. I've been asked for a long time now to teach these levels. I cannot teach the daily levels because of the complexity there. However, after removing a few components, this becomes more doable. So I can teach, and I will teach the US session levels. This will be specifically for US session. It could be any market you choose. We cover 7 markets, really 6, because the euro I would not do during the US session. But the Russell, the YM, of course, Nasdaq, S&P, crude oil, gold, all that you will be able, once you learn the approach, to find the key levels. Ryan will create an indicator just like the daily levels indicator. In other words, just like this over here, there will be an indicator that would plot the buy, the sell, and the midpoint, and then you'll be able to, it will save you time. There'll be no need to be afraid that you maybe made a mistake. So I think this kind of an indicator would really help, just makes life easier, not essential. So in any case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the weekend to put together the educational package. And then I'm going to start one-on-one mentoring. I'm guessing, just bring it here. Well, definitely not more than one a day. It will always be one-on-one. I don't do group things because I really want to focus on each and every trader. So there's not going to be any group mentoring. It's only going to be one-on-one. If you are interested, you can email me. My email is in the description. You can reach me, of course, on the Discord server. I try to read all the comments. I'm sure I will see yours. The cost. So the official cost is $2,000, and I can tell you there are going to be a lot of discounts. A lot of discounts. It will depend how long you've been a member of this community, how much you contributed to YouTube videos, comments there, to the server itself posting comments. So all of this will play a role. And the fact is, very few people are actually going to pay the 2,000. I'm going to do my best. I'm going to really do my best to give as deep a discount as I can. So, and ultimately, of course, there will be support. I will offer support, but I'm telling you, once I spend some time with you, one on one, and you have any kind of a trading experience, I mean, you really should have at least a year of trading experience. And as long as you have that, there is going to be really no issue. You will be able to understand it. If you need additional support, of course, we're going to schedule a one-on-one again. We will meet, and I will support you. But the reason I agreed to teach this approach, it's because it has very few moving parts, and it is easy to understand and easy to apply. And once you're going to have the indicator, it's going to do it for you. So even if you don't understand something, the indicator that will be created for this methodology is going to plot those levels for you. So instead of me doing this manually, like I had to do here, the indicator would just put it on your chart. That's that's how easy it's going to be. Of course, we're going to go over different ways of actually trading it. So no, levels is one thing, right? But how do you trade it? We're going to go over that, and you can find a lot of information already. Like I said, in the Trade Journal channel, because I go over a lot there. So you're already gonna kind of have a heads up as far as how to trade it. I'm not going to get much into holding trades. Holding trades is a whole different thing. My goal for each and every trader is to be consistently profitable with reasonable targets. So so this morning I had a 100-point trade. Okay, that's not a reasonable target. There was a very quick directional move. I was able to trail it, but trailing, holding positions is a very mental game, and it's nothing I can teach. That will just come from experience. So I will always be convincing you to simply take a reasonable target. Just take a reasonable target. So yeah, I think this is it. Very impressed, and I want to thank all the people who helped me. We had 6 traders who helped me with the testing. They tested all kinds of things for a 5-minute chart, a 2-minute chart, a 30-second chart, a minute chart, Renko charts as well. Renko, by the way, is an interesting way to trade it, as long as things, I guess, are not too fast and you can actually catch these trades. No, like what I mean is you just grab your target here, like 7 or 8 points, whatever. Just like grab your target as opposed to trying and stay in it. I'm going to try and stay in for at least like 600 and higher. The buy level is 680. 680 was tested already over here. Let's see if they can attempt it again or close to it. But this is holding trades, and again, holding trades are just difficult, and I really don't want to get into it too much. So yeah, this is it. A very successful week. Again, I want to thank everyone. I'm going to start the mentoring probably next week. You can email me. We're going to agree on a price. I'm going to see what I can offer you, and then your place in line. Yeah, this is it. I'm very happy I'm able to do this. I've been just asked for so long to teach, and it's not like I didn't want to teach. I just didn't know where to start with the regular daily levels approach because there is so much complexity there. This is a different thing. Okay, everyone. I'm going to actually maybe pause the recording so it won't be too long. I want to see if we can get higher. We are above the midpoint, and I think we should be going toward 600 and higher. So let's see. Eliminate any risk. Normally, actually, we might have another attempt at this 680 buy level. So that's what I'm kind of hoping for with this trade. Before there was some great short trades from the midpoint. over here, but they really went sideways once they reached the midpoint. And again, kind of goes to show you the importance of these levels, right? They really centered around this midpoint, kind of dancing around it the whole time, which did give opportunities for scalping, but not really any kind of big moves. So I'm kind of hoping now they really made up their mind that they want to go higher, and they're going to try and follow this trade. Yep, here is the move towards 600 and higher. Once again, I do expect another attempt at this 680. So let me trail it. Another successful trade from the midpoint. So I'm telling you, I'm just so excited that this is something I can teach people, and traders can have this on their own charts. They can be independent and just follow this. Of course, I'm always available for support, but the point is, this is what so many traders have been asking me, a way for them to figure out these levels, and now I'll be able to do that. So all right, let's end this video so it won't be too long. Thank you all. Again, if you have never been to our Discord server, sorry, had a phone call. So where was I? Yes, so I'm probably going to try see if I can target the 680 level, but everything is working actually better than I expected. This I did not think that the results will be as great as they have been. So all right, thank you all. Come and visit us in our Discord server. Email me with any questions, and I will start the one-on-ones probably beginning next week. Thank you all.